Hello and welcome to the Hula Hoop help video where I will be going over how to add a menu to a page and then how to add pages to that menu. So you'll notice that on this demo page here we have a blank content area, so there's nothing in here at the moment, and it's called submenu. So we want to add a little menu into this area. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to select the green Add Content button, and then we're going to choose the Basic Content option from the pop-up here. The next thing we're going to do is we don't want to add text into this area. We want to add a navigation item into here. So we're going to select the radio button there. So you have a couple different options here. We have a custom function set up for this area. So I'm going to choose the custom function option, and I'm going to choose the submenu option. So this was set up by our programmer when we were setting up our website. So if you guys had any special menus or custom functions in your concept, they should show up in here under the custom function option. I can then do a couple of different things. I can add a list of all the public pages. So that is good for, I guess, your main sort of content areas, right? And that way when you add a page and it's not hidden, it will automatically show up in the menu. I don't want to do that here. Your section option here is all members pages. So if we were on the private side of the website, I could add in a list of all of the private pages on our website. I'm not going to do that either. For this one here, I'm going to add in a custom list of pages. So I'm going to check that radio button there. And then what that does is it gives me a list here on the left of all the pages that are existing on this website here. So you'll notice this little note here. Please select any pages you would like to be included in this custom menu from the options on the left. And then you can select a radio button next to a page to add subpages to that chosen page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in just a couple top level pages. I'm just going to choose a couple random ones though. So I want to, in this menu here, have a link to the branding page. And I want to link to, let's say, the portfolio page. And then I want to link to the About Us page as well. So I've added these in as top level pages. If I did want to add like drop down menus, say to the branding menu option in this menu, I can select the radio button for the branding page. And then I could go through and I could select more pages and they would add them as second level pages underneath here. So if somebody hovered over branding, there would be a little drop down and it would show the website design page. So I don't want to do that right now. So I'm just going to delete that menu from the page here. Or sorry, delete that page from the menu. Yeah, there we go. So I have my pages in here. It's just the 3. I'm going to hit the save button here. And then it's going to add that menu into the page like so. So I can hit the edit button for this menu. And if I wanted to, I could drag and drop these pages around and that would change the order of them. Yeah, and I can delete pages from the menu by hitting the little delete button here. So this would remove the About Us page from that menu. So just be aware that there are sort of 2 delete buttons. I guess there are multiple delete buttons when you're working in the navigation option here. So this delete button would remove the portfolio page from this menu. This delete button down here would delete the entire menu off of the page. So just be aware that there are the 2 differences there. If you do accidentally delete the entire menu off of the page, you could try going into the recycle bin module and you should be able to recover it from there. And there's another video that we have, and I'll add it to the links, and it goes over using the recycle bin module. So yeah, that's the gist of the navigation function. If you have any questions or if you need a hand with anything, you can always email me at drew@circlegraphics.ca. Yeah, and that's about it.